Hello guys, have you ever been faced with a situation whereby one of your ventilators or one of your employees that ventilates ends up delivering a work like this? This is not good at all. This has really ripped apart. It's open, and in this case maybe you're double knotting, because from here I can see she was trying to double knot some things, and this is not looking good at all. So have you ever been faced with a situation like this, and placing a lace over it is not also going to be, it's not going to look good either? So I'm going to be doing a short video to show you guys how you can go from this to this. You see that? So I'm going to be showing you without even, as you can see, the lace is still just relaxed. It's not pulling on the sides and all of that. So I'm going to do a quick video, so just keep watching. So first things first, I'm going to be needing this very tiny thread. It's almost invisible, you can see. You're going to be needing this very tiny thread, and you're going to fold it up like so, and then you're going to start stitching. I really don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but just try. So we're going to be doing what I call the chain. First of all, we're going to knot it down. Okay, now after knotting, we're going to do what I call the chain stitching. Okay, I call it this thing chain stitching, and you have to be very, very careful while doing this, because especially when you're working with a HD lace, you don't want to, you don't want to rip the net any further. So I'm going to make my first knot, then second. I'm not going to be making it very strong. Okay, I don't want it to be too tight, so you keep doing that until you get to the other end. So this lace, sorry guys, this line is what is, I believe, is used in making the lace. Okay, so that's the best item you can use to replicate something close to that, to still maintain the denier of the lace. I don't know if you guys understand the English I'm speaking, also anyhow spoken. So just keep watching gradually. So now I've just knotted it. Okay, then we're going to repeat the same. Now we've done a chain stitch from this end to this end. So next, another chain stitch. Don't make it too tight. Okay, until it gets to the other edge. So I'm not going to be picking up this line because it's already very weak. I'm just going to pick up the next one, and then I'm going to just knot it. I wish it's possible for you guys to really see what I'm doing, but if you can, that's fine. Then we get again another chain stitch, so we make it a stitch that can get to the other end, and then yeah, so you'll be needing a very tiny needle to get this done. As you can see, the net itself is not affected, it's not been affected. So next thing I'm going to do is to try and cross the lines. So I'm going to make another chain stitch like that, then pass it under this particular chain stitch knot. Then we keep going. I'm just crossing over, trying to, this is actually one of the methods. There's another method where you have to braid the nets. I call it the net stitch, but for now let's just focus on this one. Okay, so yeah, just like that, carefully pick up your line and connect it to this edge, and then just a single knot. You see what's going on here, guys? You see that? So this is going to give you a cleaner finish and a more professional finish than when you try to use a lace over it. It doesn't look, I don't like the lace thin. It doesn't look good at all. So I'm just going to make a couple of chain stitches, and then I'm trying to, okay, just like that. I'm going to pass it under the very first chain switch stitch we made. Then I'm going to knot it, okay, and then just keep going. Okay, I need to pick it up from this side. So this requires a lot of carefulness, and then calculating the distance of each lace. But if you're already into ventilating, I think this is not going to be a lot of work for you. It's not going to be a lot of work, really. So you just have to keep going in and out the stitches like that. Now we have this disconnected line here. Oh geez. So we go right under to reconnect. Down. So you can see a hole here. I don't want it to really show. So I'm just gonna pick up the line. Like that. So you can see what I'm doing. Like I think this is fair enough, but I think I should also connect this hole here. And voila, we have our stuff ready. And then you can pick up your scissors and cut it off. So guys, this is the patchwork. Very clean, very simple. You can see that. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, so you can see how it's looking. This looks really clean, really professional. You know, you can even run your finger over it. It's not looking patched and really messy. So yeah, I hope this video was really helpful. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.